Hello lovely people, welcome back to the channel. I will be sharing with you how to make a strong, effective lightening and brightening vitamin C cream and get results in just 7 days. So I will be using an orange and also a lemon, and also I will be making use of vitamin E capsules as well, and also coconut oil, which is a great moisturizing and nourishing ingredient for the skin, and ascorbic acid, which helps to lighten hyperpigmentation and brown spots, even out the skin tone and enhance the skin radiance. And now I'm just going to peel the orange because I will be making use of the orange peels, which contain vitamin C, which helps to form collagen and elastin, which is the secret to glowing skin. I mean, it is the secret to beautiful skin. It makes your skin more youthful and bright. It improves oily skin and makes the skin soft, smooth, and firm. And it helps unclog pores and reduces blackheads. So, orange peel is very good for the skin. And I'm also going to be using lemon peels. It helps in preventing and fighting skin problems such as wrinkles, acne, pigmentation, and dark spots. Lemon is also a great natural source of vitamin C. It helps to tackle a lot of skin issues. So I'm just going to shred the peels. So now I'm going to juice the orange and also the lemon because I will be using both the orange juice and the lemon juice to boil the peels, because orange juice naturally contains vitamin C, which helps fight against free radical damage activity and improve dull and aging skin, and thereby improving the skin appearance and the skin texture, giving you that youthful, radiant, and glowing skin. While lemon juice is good for skin toning and appearance, it helps reduce skin damage, premature aging, and inflammation. And also it has natural astringent and also natural vitamin C. So I'm going to be using the juice to boil the peels. So after blending the peels, you just go ahead and strain to get that smooth consistency.